Hello and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. It's been fantastic to see so many of you going online and showing us what you've been doing at home. So let's see who is celebrated this week.
Massive well done to all the children who've logged on to Lexia this week. I know some of you worked really hard and actually shot up several levels in just 1 week. But my biggest congratulations go to 2B because they managed to have the most logins across the whole school. So fantastic, 2B.
Hi everyone, so it's TT Rockstar result time. Overall, the class with the most percentage of active players is 6C, but it was still only 53%, so I do feel like we could all do much better. The highest number of correct answers for year 2 was Leo in 2B. For year 3 was Harrison in 3B. For year 4 was Stephen in 4L. Year 5 was Theo in 5C, and for Year 6 was Aidan in 6C. So well done all of you. The highest overall scoring person was Theo, 5C, who got 3,271 correct answers. Massive well done.
So this week, Spot and Bailey sent lots of our children some special challenges. And this is one of the stories that one of our children has written at home. So well done, Rhiannon. You get a special Spot Award for your story featuring Spot and Bailey. I have another special award. Over the last weeks when we've been closed, some of us as teachers have been receiving some lovely letters and postcards through the post. There's been so many, but I wanted to mention Lacey, who has done me this lovely postcard and has tried really hard with her writing and did some lovely colouring with it. So thank you, Lacey, for my postcard.
The awards this week will be going to Danny Rose, Jack Campbell, Celine, Evie DeVille, Ivy and Annie May. Thank you. Bye.
Good morning everyone. For Celebration Assembly this week I have picked Dolly and Connor for their fantastic work on Tapestry.
This week in Foxes we have decided to celebrate Harry. He's been working really hard at home doing lots of activities. It also looks like he's been very helpful around the house. And we really liked his lovely pen pal letters he's been writing to his friends. So well done.
Hello children, Miss White here. I'm so proud of all the children in Hedgehogs that have uploaded work to Tapestry this week. I'm particularly proud of Aoife. Aoife has shown great perseverance when tackling a tricky maths challenge, and she's also shown great determination in learning to write using joined up handwriting. I'm also really proud of Ava. Ava's been working really hard to complete her bingo challenges and is working especially hard on her phonics and her maths. She's shown me a great video showing how she can halve amounts of strawberries, so well done Ava. I'm also really proud of Lucas. Lucas is uploading lots and lots of work daily onto Tapestry. He's working so hard, in particular on his maths and his science. So well done to all those children. I can't wait to see all the fabulous work Hedgehogs get up to on Tapestry this week. Bye.
Hi everyone. This week for Squirrel class, I'm going to celebrate 3 children. So drum roll please. And the first person I'm celebrating this week is Emmanuel. Well done. This is for your fantastic story writing, and I love the fact that you like to make new things out of recyclable materials at home. So well done you. Okay, next person, drum roll please. And the celebration is for Faye. So well done Faye. I'm giving this to you for all that hard work that you've been doing at home, and I love the fact that you've been out in your garden and growing some vegetables. So well done you, good girl. Okay, the last person I'm going to be celebrating this week is, drum roll please, Madison. Well done Madison for your lovely writing and adding calculations that you've been doing at home with Mummy. Well done, super work. But don't worry if you haven't been celebrated this week. I'm very proud of all of you, and who knows, it could be you next week. So well done to all my winners.
This week I have chosen for Celebration Assembly Neve in 1H. For sharing your maths work and your methods through Seesaw, you demonstrated some great learning in your fractions, and I really like seeing all the different ways you found your halves and your quarters. Well done. I've also chosen Daisy May for sharing a lot of different types of work through your Seesaw. I really love seeing your PE work through your dancing or gymnastics classes and seeing the different routines that you had. Keep it up. And also I have chosen Imogen this week for sharing some really wonderful writing on Seesaw. I really loved your story about the floating dog with the balloons and the boat that you made out of your recycling materials. Fantastic work. Well done, all of you.
Hello, 1T. I hope everybody's still staying safe indoors. I'd like to celebrate 3 children this week. First of all, Jackson has been doing a huge amount of work every single day. It's been fantastic to see what he's been doing across all the different online learning platforms. In particular, I was really impressed with the illustrations that he drew to go along with his life cycle of a sunflower piece of work, which is really, really lovely to see. I'd also like to celebrate Olivia, who has again been doing lots and lots of work across all the different learning platforms, and particularly been uploading lots of pictures onto Seesaw of the arts and craft that she's been up to, which has been lovely to see too. And finally, I'd like to celebrate Jack, who started uploading things onto Seesaw for the first time this week, and I've been really impressed with how hard he has been working on his handwriting across all the different bits of writing he's done in phonics and other pieces of work as well. So well done to those 3, and I hope to see lots more work from 1T in the next few days ahead.
In this week's Celebration Assembly, I'd like to celebrate Taylor Joe for working so hard on his Lexia, on his Numbots, and he's posted lots on Seesaw. I've been really impressed with the work that you've posted, and it's been really lovely to see how much you've enjoyed your home learning. I'd also like to celebrate Bella from our class, who's worked really hard on lots of activities, and you've posted them all onto Seesaw, and it's been really lovely to see. So well done to the both of you. Keep up the good work.
Hi Whitehall Academy and 2B, it's Miss Baxter. Thank you so much to all of 2B children who have been posting on Seesaw. I've really loved seeing your work. You're producing such a great variety of work. I've been really, really impressed, and it's made it very difficult to choose children for celebration. You should all be really proud of yourself. This week I have chosen to celebrate Caspian, who has been consistently posting on Seesaw with the different home learning he's been doing. He's been doing Timetable Rockstars, and he's also started using some of the BBC Bite Size resources as well. Well done, Caspian. I have also chosen Amelia C. Again, she has been consistently posting on Seesaw lots and lots of different pictures showing all the different things she has been doing each day, different science investigations, decorating parts, learning about VE Day, which was on Friday. Really, really impressed. Well done. My last person to celebrate this week is Ralphie for completing the most minutes on Lexia this week. Well done. Good job. Keep up the hard work, 2B. You are all doing amazingly. Well done. See you soon. Bye.
Hello 2G. So this week for Celebration Assembly, it's been quite hard to choose, but I have been a little bit disappointed. I haven't had as many posts as usually, but people who really stood up for me this week is George and Henry, my twins in my class. They've been really trying hard, complete Lexia. Henry spent 155 minutes on it, and also posting on different platforms, especially Seesaw. Very impressed with your bird box you made together, boys. And for second person I've chosen is Zach. Zach has been also posted on lots of platforms, and I'm really particularly pleased with his White Rose lesson he has been completing on a daily basis. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye.
I hope you're all keeping safe. It was really hard for me to pick my celebration children for 2H this week because so many of you have been uploading and doing things online, which is really great. I've decided on 3 people in the end because they've all been going on Timetable Rockstars, going on to Lexia, and going on to Pebble Mash, which has been fantastic. They've also been uploading lots of work to Seesaw, which has been really great for me to see. So I'm really proud of all 3 of these girls, and they are Summer, Chloe and Ruby. Well done to all 3 of you.
Hi 3B. It's been really hard to pick who to celebrate this week because there's been some really lovely original ideas of work that's been going on at home. But the 3 people that I've come up with, first I've chosen Freddie because he's been doing some great teamwork with his brother. He's done some lovely baking, and what I really like to see is, Freddie, that you were reading with your brother, enjoying reading to him, and also I saw that you had been really patient at listening to your brother read too, which is really important. My second person I'd like to celebrate is Isla. Now, Isla combined lots of different activities through just her exercise of going for a walk in the morning. She managed to draw a map and count how many steps it took to get to different places, and then used all of that as a stimulus to write a lovely story. Well done, Isla. Loved it. And my third person. Now, I'd like to celebrate Alan. Alan has been going on and using Lexia a huge amount this week, and brilliant to see. Well done, Alan. Keep it up. So, 3B, show me any lovely work that you've got. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Take care, everybody.
Hi guys, Mr. Croucher here. Hope you're staying safe. I'm going to pick 2 people for my celebration this week, and it's been 2 people who've made sure that they've logged on to Lexia. So great effort with your home learning. These 2 people are Quint and Ethan. Give yourselves a massive pat on the back.
Good morning, 3FJ. Thank you for all your work on Seesaw. It's absolutely brilliant to see. This week I'd like to celebrate Joshua and Amelie. They've consistently posted each week and seen some variety of lessons, and it's just been absolutely brilliant. Okay, everyone else, stay safe and thinking of you all.
Hello, Whitehall Academy, Miss Ward here. This week I have chosen Karina because she has been uploading work to all of our online learning platforms. Chloe because she has been uploading work almost every day since the lockdown began. And Emily Ann because it has been fantastic to see some of the art projects you've been doing at home and your completed maths and English work. Also wanted to say a big well done to all of 3W who have been accessing Lexia online. Well done. Keep up the great work.
Hi guys, for Celebrations Day I am choosing from 4B, Darcy and Brooke. They both wrote beautiful letters that they've written to their future selves so that when they are 50, 60, 70 they can get the letter out and read it. They wrote about the current situation, what they've been getting up to, and they also made some predictions and asked questions to their future self about whether they've got the dream job they wanted, whether they got married, things like that. They are so beautifully written that I've had to attach them at the end of this video to show you guys. They definitely made me a little bit emotional to read them, and you know, it's beautifully written. So well done guys, so I'm choosing you.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to say a big well done to everybody in 4BF that's produced some lovely work. Mrs Stanhope and myself have been looking at them on Seesaw and on Purple Mash and checking in on Timetable Rockstars too, so well done. This week we'd like to say an extra big well done to Stefan, Rhiannon and Libby. These 3 children have created just such a variety of work, so it's lovely to see, and well done to everybody as well.
Hello to everyone in 4L. First, I'd like to thank Andrew and Demira for their lovely letters after last week's Celebration Assembly. This week, I'd like to celebrate Evie and Stephen. Evie for working really hard at English and maths and posting every day on Seesaw. It's lovely to see your work and see what you're doing. Stephen for getting 2,182 questions correct on Timetable Rockstars in the past 7 days. Fantastic work. Keep it up, everyone. Well done.
Hello, it's Miss Cooper here, and this week for Celebration, it's been really hard because everyone's been doing such amazing learning. I've seen everything you're doing on Purple Mash, Timetable Rockstars, and uploading on Seesaw, but I thought I'd pick 2 children today, and they are going to be Amy, for especially your amazing Jane Goodall project. That was absolutely superb and it was clear you put loads of work into that. And I'm also going to pick Abigail, because I know you were mentioned last week for your Burnett News Club, but you've been doing some superb learning the entire time of lockdown, had your own timetable, and even been doing things like learning German with your sister, which is really cool. But I've also got some pictures here of all the pieces of work that have made me smile this week. So well done 5C, keep it up.
Hi Whitehall. 5H today are celebrating Harley for all her hard maths work that she has been putting onto Seesaw. Ronnie, who's been finding some really inventive ways to do his learning using coins and games to learn some French and times tables. And Paige, who's been working really hard on the tasks I've set on Purple Mash. Well done guys, keep up the good work.
Hey everyone, hope you're all okay. Well done to everybody who's been doing their online learning. But for Celebration Assembly this week, there's two people in particular I want to pick. One is Ava and the other one is Alfie B. The reason for these two, they've been uploading all their work every single day, but particularly been really impressed with all their artistic work and their illustrations and all the effort that they've been putting into it. So really well done, but also a big well done to everybody in 5PC for their timetable rock stars that they've been doing. Awesome stuff. Keep safe.
Hi everyone, this week for 6C celebration I've chosen two people that have really improved on their home learning and are logging in nearly every day onto Seesaw or TT Rockstars, and that is Ruby and Warren. So well done guys, keep it up.
Hi everybody. Okay, for this week's celebration in 6S, it was really difficult to choose children this week, but firstly I have chosen Archie. Archie, you're doing such a fantastic job. I love seeing all your Lego models and all your creative work. Keep it up. Next two people I'm celebrating are Ellie Mae and Amelie, because Ellie Mae and Amelie, every single day they are putting work onto their Seesaw, they're showing me activities. It is so super to see it. I love it. Keep up the good work, guys. Bye.
Hello 6T, my first nomination is for Charlie, who's really taken on board advice and is uploading lots of great work, particularly maths, onto Seesaw. All of the teachers really love to see your work on Seesaw. It makes our day to make comments and go on and see what you've been up to. And my second nomination is for Ali, not only because of all of the work he's been doing, but mainly because of the kindness and thoughtfulness that he's shown. Last week on VE Day, he made the most delicious looking picnic for his nan and all of her neighbours to enjoy on the special day. It really made me smile, Ali. It was a really lovely thing to do. Well done to both the boys.
So we have a special award now to end our celebration assembly. I'm really proud to work at Whitehall because of the next awards we're about to give. So we would like to give a special mention to Mrs. Larkin, Mrs. Stubbins, Mrs. Walker and Alex in 6S. All of these people have been making NHS scrubs or headbands for our NHS workers. So it fills me with huge pride to say thank you so much for what you've been doing. Thank you for tuning in this week to our celebration assembly. A big well done to all of those children that were celebrated this week. And I look forward to seeing who's celebrated next week. Well done, Whitehall.